So traders, as we look into a new week, traders, based on our weekly trading outlook that we always share on three pairs, which is Nasdaq, Gold, and USD CAD. On today's video, we are gonna share for the coming week of June, which is the 16th of June, up and until the 20th. But before we start, like the video, share the video, leave a comment, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and I'll leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And far most importantly, trade with the best broker by simply clicking that link on my description. But without further ado, let me share to you guys possible direction for the coming week, and let me make sure that I prepare you guys for the next trading week, right? So when you guys remember that this is our current price resistance, right? And this was our previous resistance, which is now turned into our new support. So just to make it simple for you guys, I will simply just take this from here, and then just, okay, let me do this, take this from there, and then just make it kind of straight, same level with our new support, right? So if I can just make it simple, then we can really get the picture that our current price, how it's looking, right? We had multiple reactions on this resistance, and we're having multiple reactions on our new support. So for the coming week, I wouldn't say price is in a range, but the only thing that will confirm direction for the coming week itself, we'll get a break below this recent support, looking for those continuations to the downside, or we're gonna simply have a filter break so we can look for that reversal to the downside based on multiple reactions on our support. But at the same time, if we're gonna get a break above this resistance, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what will price do on our current highs, because we still have those current highs that price need to violate based on what breaking above our resistance and trading above resistance, creating those highs and breaking below resistance. If we're gonna get a break above, then we're simply gonna wait for price to violate our current highs so we can look for those continuations. But again, if price will fail to break, then we're gonna look for those reversals to the downside based on price failing to break resistance and giving us reactions above that resistance. Do you guys get that? So this will be what we'll be anticipating on the NAS, and this will be what we'll be looking forward to. And always remember, this is not financial advice. Second pair will be gold. So on gold, you can clearly see, guys, that our current structure on gold has gave us direction, which is bullish. Based on price giving us a range, we had a range on our previous week, if you guys remember, right? If you don't remember, go check out our current weekly trading outlook so you can see what kind of a range we had, right? But remember that we had a range and price gave us a confirmation of a would break above the very same highs of our range. So if I have to zoom in, you can clearly see that our current price, our all-time high, is just sitting right there on 34.93, right? So with our current high on 34.93, the only thing that we're gonna be looking for the coming week will be very simple, because we can clearly see that our structure is bullish. The only thing that we're gonna be focusing on, even though we're waiting for confirmation, is to see a pullback, higher low formation, and then look for those possible new highs. Or based on where price is currently trading, if we're gonna get those continuations to the upside, that's what we're gonna continue doing. But if price will give us a deeper pullback, then that's what we'll be looking for, so we can look for those continuations to the upside. But understand, we're just waiting for confirmation to see what is gold gonna do for the coming week. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD will be kinda exciting, to be honest to you guys, based on having to understand that, if you remember our weekly update that we shared, you can go check it out if you haven't watched it, that we had a clean anticipation that price has support, right? And with price having support, there's only two things that we're focusing on: fail to break so we can look for those moves to the upside, or a simple break and retest so we can look for those moves to the downside. So you can clearly see that price gave us a breakout, gave us a retest, and a continuation to the downside. So now, if I have to zoom in the charts, then I'm going to show you something that you will understand and get the picture from, right? Because this is our previous highs, right? Well, if I have to do this, you will get the picture properly. This was our range, right? And when I have to continue with this range, you can clearly see that this range had a breakout and a retest and a move to the downside, right? So with a word, a range, breakout, retest, continuation to the downside, a push, range, continuation, and reaction on support, reaction on our range, push to the downside until price gave us a break and retest, and then we made those new highs. That you can clearly understand that me marking out this highs where price closed to end the week is something that you need to keep an eye on, because price had multiple rejections, 1, 2, right? So we can focus. Look in. So we can focus on two things for the coming week, right? Will price give us a fill to break on those very same zones, so we can look for those moves to the upside? Will the price give us a break below for those continuations to the downside? That's all that we're going to be focusing on when USD CAD. But without further ado, understand that this is not educational, this is not financial advice. These are just anticipations as to what the week might look forward to. Always be mindful that we share this to update you guys and to show you guys what might possibly happen, so you can also get the picture into what you might be looking for and what we're looking forward to. But without further ado, next week I have exciting videos for you guys. Stop subscribing to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted when those educational videos drop, so you can learn, and not only learn, and you can also earn. Without further ado, this is your boy Adam, King COT, and we're signing out.